Okay guys, so welcome to your PE lesson for this week. So you're missing out on athletics in the moment, and something we're going to have a look at is throwing. Okay, so you might have had a few different goes at some of the throws before, but we're going to try and develop that today. We're going to throw an object that pretty much everyone has a tennis ball, so that's why we're choosing a tennis ball today. So we'll look at the overarm throw, whether you're going for distance, also we'll look at accuracy as well. So you could apply that to kind of cricket type scenarios as well. So number one, if we're looking at throwing overarm throw for distance, okay, so this kind of grip on the ball tends to be quite good, a bit like a bowling grip. So you can have two fingers there or like that, okay. You're going to be sideways on. You could start this off sort of as your warm-up. You can start off just stepping in. So it's a step, a point, and the arm comes over the top. So from the side, I'm going to hold the ball like this. So my arms up, I point at the target, and my arm comes through like that. Okay, so through. Okay. Obviously, when I'm trying to make an object go over a long distance, I want to be actually thinking about arcing it up. So you would actually see the person throwing like that. So up in that direction rather than down. And that's sort of where you release it makes the difference. Okay. So you want roughly probably a 45 degree, roughly up that way, and that'll give you good distance. Okay. With regards to marking it, that's all in the text, in the content of this homework. Show you how to mark it out. So you need a line to throw from, and you need to not step over that line. Step up, you can take a run up, come up to that line, throw it as far as you can, and then get a friend to mark where it first bounces. Leave that marker there, have another go, see if you can beat it again. Then when you're out and you don't want to throw anymore, use a measuring tape to measure from the throwing line up to that marker, and that will be you done for your overarm throw for distance. Okay. You can do all sorts of things with throwing for accuracy. So if you're lucky enough to have a set of stumps, which I do in the garden, I can just set them up over there. So I've got my set of stumps. I'm going to use the same sort of throwing technique, so sideways on, and I'm going to step and point and then bring that ball over the top, and I'm going to keep score. So you'll see attached to this homework you've got the documents, which gives you a description of how to do this, how to keep score. You can go against someone else, just pick a target, pick a type of ball and have a go. So it's really simple. I'm just going to try and hit that. So I've got 3 balls available here, so I'm just going to throw each one of those and see what my score is. Okay. So that was unfortunately not very good, so I'm going to have to do that again. So whatever target you've chosen, just choose like a certain amount of throws you're going to have. So it could be 5, could be 3, etc. Try and hit it as many times as you can. Maybe have a competition against someone else, and then try and beat those scores. All right. So check out all the details in the full homework, and then you know what to do. All right. See you next time.